regulated manufacturing industries, there is no room for error. Every label, every barcode, everything must be correct. AIS introduces the OMRON V275 Inline verification system. An intelligent combination of label printer, vision system and intuitive software. Installed and verifying labels in more than 100 of the world's leading life science manufacturers. When a printed label passes the camera, it is 100% inspected and all results are logged seamlessly without interrupting the printing process. If a deviation occurs, the system intervenes and stops the printing process immediately. With real-time error detection and clear alerts, mistakes are prevented before they can impact the printing process. The software is intuitive, flexible and tailored to your production process. Fully 21 CFR Part 11 compliant. Give your process the control it deserves. Choose certainty. Choose AIS.